Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to zoom in GIMP. So let's get started. To zoom in on your image, select the zoom tool from the toolbox panel. You can also press the plus key on your keyboard to activate the zoom tool. Click on the area of the image you want to zoom into. Each click will magnify the image, making it larger and providing a closer view of the selected area. Alternatively, you can use keyboard shortcuts for zooming. To zoom in, press Ctrl plus mouse scroll up. So, here you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.